जय माँ भारती समाचार के ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। I heartily welcome you to the PMA Samachar channel from the international world. Argentina. Officially, the Argentine Republic is a country located mostly in the southern half of America, sharing the bulk of southern cone with Chile. To the west, the country is bordered by Bolivia and Paraguay. To the north, Brazil. To the northeast, Uruguay and the South Atlantic Ocean to the east, and the Drake Passes to the south, with a mainland area of 27,80,400 km square. Argentina is the 8th largest country in the world, the 4th largest in the Americas, the 2nd largest in South America after Brazil, and the largest Spanish-speaking nation. Argentina-India relations refers to the bilateral relations between India and Argentina. Argentina has an embassy in Delhi and a consulate general in Mumbai, whilst India has an embassy in Buenos Aires. Both countries are members of G20 Group of 24 and Group of 77. Argentina-China relations are foreign relations between the Argentine Republic and People's Republic of China. Both countries established diplomatic relations on 19th March 1972. Country Air Force preparations on the China border intensified and the Apache movement grew, IS officer said, always on high. There is an opposition from China around the world, including New York. Education. The Chief Minister of Punjab announced the cancellation of college and university examinations. Sacraments Ashad Purnima lunar eclipse today will be 2 hours and 45 minutes long. Environment. The Congo rainforest in Central Africa contains one of the longest rivers in the world, the Congo River. The tropical rainforest covers most of the eastern part of the Congo. This forest and its river were the subject of a famous book called The Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad. Hunting and poaching has endangered many of the animals there, but this jungle itself is not being destroyed as it is Brazil. Invention. The periodic table is an arrangement of the chemical elements organized on the basis of their atomic numbers, electron configurations, and recurring chemical properties. The history of periodic table reflects over 2 centuries of growth in the understanding of the chemical and physical properties of the elements, with major contributions made by Anthony Laurent de Lavoisier, Johann Wolfgang Dauvergne, John Newlands, Julius Lothar Mayer, Dmitry Mendeléev, Glenn T. Seaborg, and others. State. Ladakh is a region administered by India as a union territory and constituting a part of the larger region of Kashmir. This has been the subject of dispute between India, Pakistan, and China since 1947. It is autonomous, bordered by the Tibet Autonomous Region to the east, the Indian state by Himachal Pradesh to the south, both the Indian Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and the Pakistan-administered Gilgit-Baltistan to the west, and the southwest corner of Xinjiang across the Karakoram Pass in the far north. Great person Sant Tukaram Maharaj, also referred to as Sant Shrestha Jagdguru Tukoba and Tukobaraya, was a 17th century Hindu poet and sant of the Bhakti movement in Maharashtra, India. He was part of the egalitarian, personalized Warkari devotionalism tradition. Sant Tukaram Maharaj is best known for his devotional poetry called Abhang and community-oriented worship with spiritual songs known as kirtans. His poetry was devoted to Vitthal or Vithoba. In mathematics, the irrational numbers are all the real numbers, which are not rational numbers, the latter being the numbers constructed from the ratios of integer when the ratio of lengths of two line segments is an irrational number. The line segments are also described as being incommensurable, meaning that they share to measure in common, that is, there is no length, no matter how short, that could be used to express the lengths of both of the two given segments as integer multiples of itself. Fruits. Few fruits are as cool as a cucumber. These low calorie bases contain many nutritional benefits including hydrating properties and valuable nutrients. Cucumber are good sources of phytonutrients such flavonoids, lignans and terpenes, which have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer benefits according to world's healthiest food. Fruits. A plum is a fruit of the subgenus Prunus of the genus Prunus. The subgenus is distinguished from the other subgenera in the fruits having terminal bud and solitary side buds. The flower is in groups of 1 to the 5 together on short stems, and the fruit having a groove running down one side and a smooth stone. Flowers. Tulip, from a genus of spring blooming perennial herbaceous bulb feeders, geophytes. The flowers are usually large, showy, brightly colored, and generally pink, red, yellow, or white. They often have a different color blotch at the base of tepals because of a degree of variability within the populations and a long history of cultivation. Classification has been complex and controversial. Yoga. Brahmacharya asana is the most easiest and important asana in yoga with lots of health benefits. It is known as the crocodile pose. The name Brahmacharya asana actually comes from the Sanskrit word where Brahmacharya means calabite and asana means pose. So combine all the words, it's pronounced as the Calabite's pose. The health benefits of Brahmacharya asana: reduces belly fats, improves digestive health, abdomen, legs and hips strengths. Universe. The Himalaya is a mountain range in Asia separating the plains of the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau. The range has many of Earth's highest peaks, including the highest mountain Everest. The Himalayas include over 50 mountains exceeding 7,200 meters in elevation, including 10 of the 14 8,000-meter peaks. By contrast, the highest peak outside Asia is 6,961 meters tall. Ayurveda. Symboposon, also known as lemongrass, barbed wire grass, etc., is a genus of Asian, African, Australian, and tropical island plants in the glass family. Some species are commonly cultivated as culinary and medicinal herbs because of their scent resembling that of lemons. Education. Guru Purnima was celebrated with reverence in today's Premalok Mission School. On this occasion, devotees offered prayers to His Holiness Saint Naga Baba. City town. Garhwal is a former district of British India of the province United and had an area of 5,629 square meters. It later became a part of the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. Today it is the part of the Indian state Uttarakhand. Today's event: Guru Purnima, lunar eclipse. 1770, the Battle of Chishma between the Russian Empire and the Ottoman Empire begins. 1775, the Second Continental Congress adopts the Olive Branch Petition. Weather news. Mumbai facing the problems of monsoon. This city is watered because of rainy season. Today's temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 28 degrees Celsius. The Chas Nala mining disaster was a disaster that happened on 27th December 1975 in a coal mine Chas Nala near Dhanbad in the Indian state of Jharkhand. An explosion in the mine followed by flooding killed 380 miners. Now the pronunciation of some words. Able, it's just able, not able. Establish, it's just establish, not establish. Today's food, that's all. I take for tomorrow live. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः